Today, we're going to remove and replace a channel balance top guide. You will need a hammer, a power drill, a 3/32 inch drill bit like SWISCO's 75-502, a SWISCO 62-005 rivet, a 75-075 rivet installation tool, a new channel balance attachment, and a metal plate or sturdy wood block for support. Here's an old channel balance with a broken attachment. Place the balance over an edge or hollow in the support block. You want to have enough room so that when you drill through, you don't hit the table beneath. Make sure the balance is secure. Then drill straight through the holes in the balance attachment to bore out the old rivet. Now that the old balance attachment is removed, slip your new guide onto the channel and slide a new rivet through the holes, securing the guide to the channel. Now, place the channel balance directly onto a flat and sturdy surface. The rivet installation tool has a small point at the tip. This point fits inside the rivet. Take this tool, place the tip in the rivet's open end, and give the tool one solid hit with a hammer. Now hit the rivet with your hammer 1 to 2 more times to flatten out the rivet and secure it in place. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit SWISCO.com for parts and DIY help.